Hello, my name is Sharon, and this is the newest Talking Text Translator Dictionary, the latest breakthrough in language learning technology. It is able to translate full sentences using a large built-in database containing thousands of words and common phrases, as well as utilizing a sophisticated computer algorithm which can translate any phrase the user wishes to enter. The Text Translator Dictionary can translate any word or phrase from your own language into any of over 70 different languages. As you can see, there are many to choose from. This one device can be upgraded to accommodate any or all of these languages. The Text Translator Dictionary was designed specifically for students, travelers, and businessmen alike. So no matter what your proficiency level may be, the Text Translator Dictionary is ideal for any situation. And the fact that there is no internet connection needed makes this product easy to use anywhere, anytime. But now let's take a closer look at some of the innovative features that make up the new Talking Text Translator Dictionary. The Text Translator Dictionary was designed to be easy to navigate. On the Start screen, you can easily use the arrow keys to select the languages you want to use. And by simply pressing the Menu Language key, you can quickly change the language displayed for all of the menus on your device. Then just press Enter to begin. Now we're ready to type any word or phrase into the translator for an instant translation. When you first enter the search screen, you'll be in the text translator mode. You can also select this mode by pressing the F1 key. In this mode, you can do any universal search. Therefore, by typing any word or phrase, you will receive a wide variety of search results. The translator has a very large built-in database of commonly used phrases. As you start to type, the translator will automatically list phrases from the database that match what you are typing. Then all you need to do is move the selection down to the phrase that you want, and then press Enter. From here, you can play the pronunciations for any of the languages that are activated in your device. For this demonstration, we are using English
to Korean.
So here is the English pronunciation.
How can I get in touch with you?
And here's
the Korean pronunciation.
당신에게 어떻게 연락하면 됩니까?
If you find that you need to clearly distinguish the correct pronunciation for each word, something that is very useful is the computer pronunciation. This feature plays the pronunciation at a slower speed with each individual word separately pronounced. You just need to press and hold the Alt key followed by the Speak key to hear the computer pronunciation.
당신에게 어떻게 연락하면 됩니까?
How can I get in touch with you?
You can even adjust the pronunciation speed by pressing and holding the Alt key, then pressing either the Speak Up or Speak Down key. The volume can be controlled by holding down the Shift key and pressing the Speak Up or Speak Down keys. There is another useful feature for practicing your pronunciation called the Speak Matching feature. If you highlight the phrase that you want, then press the Shift key followed by the Speak key. The pronunciation for that phrase will play.
How can I get in touch with you?
Then after it plays, it will record your own pronunciation of the phrase. Afterwards, it will play them both again so that you can compare your own pronunciation with the original. But what if the phrase you want to look up is not listed among the results? Well, there's no need to worry, because if this happens, then the device will automatically generate a computer translation using our new sophisticated text translation algorithm, which really makes the phrase translation possibilities limitless. We've used the phrase, "Paris is a beautiful city," as an example. When we hit enter, the computer starts to translate. Now you can press the speak key to play the computer pronunciation.
Paris is a beautiful city.
The dictionary function, unlike the text translator function, is a more direct way to quickly and easily look up single words at a time. It will automatically list other single words that are related to the word that is typed, but it will not list other phrases or sentences. This is a clear and direct word search method, which makes this function ideal for checking spelling. From the search screen, you can press F2 to enter the dictionary mode. When we type in the word infinite, you can see there are more related words shown in the list. If you want to see the individual dictionaries, you can just press the F3 key for the learning function. Then select the All Dictionaries option on the next screen. From here, you can look at any dictionary individually. To demonstrate the dictionary mode, let's try looking up the word negotiate. After selecting the word and pressing enter, the definition shows on the screen. And again, here you can press the speak key to hear the pronunciation for the word.
Negotiate.
The dictionary mode gives you the definition of the word you entered, as well as the option to view that word in any of the other dictionaries that are active on your device. You can see the list of dictionaries that are active on your device at the top of the screen. Just by pressing the arrow keys, you can easily browse through your list of dictionaries. As shown at the bottom of the screen, the F4 key will show you the verb conjugations for the current word. To see more tenses for the word, press the right arrow key. As you can see, there are many options. By pressing the F5 key, you can see sample phrases related to the current word. Select the references you want to see, then you can easily scroll through the phrases. If you need to hear the pronunciation of any other word on the current screen, you only need to press Enter first. Then use the down arrow key to highlight the desired word. Then press the Speak key.
협상하다.
You can also cross-search any other word that is on the screen by again highlighting the word and then pressing Enter. Then you can select which dictionary you want to use for your search. From the search screen, you can access the learning mode by pressing the F3 button. Under this category, there are many tools to help you in your endeavor to learn a language. One such tool is the Talking Phrase Book. This feature provides most common words, phrases, idioms, grammar, sentence patterns, and everyday expressions in all general categories, such as business, law, health, sports, and many more. And as always, the translator provides true human pronunciation for all languages. For an example, let's look at the phrase book. And let's look for a conversation in English. Let's try the category meals. Now, let's see how to order a meal. There are many phrases to choose from. By pressing the right arrow key, you can scroll through these phrases. Let's see how to pronounce this phrase.
What's the specialty of the restaurant?
Now let's hear it.
In Korean.
특별 요리가 있습니까?
The learning mode is also helpful with preparing yourself for tests and exams. For example, in the learning mode, you can select Learn English and then select English Test. Here you can see listed many common standard tests for the English language. Let's take a look at the TEFL test practice. Here you can choose which course you want to start. Let's start with the first course. Here you can see the first question for the test and the answers in multiple choice format. If you select the wrong answer, it doesn't just tell you that the answer is wrong, but it shows you the explanation for why the answer is wrong, therefore helping you to progress. Also, in learning mode, under Learning English, you can access English lessons. There are many different categories to choose from. Let's look at shopping. Under shopping, we can select one of the subcategories. Let's take a look at the lesson on bargaining. You can play the whole conversation by pressing F4, or by pressing F5, you can record your own voice in place of one of the voices in the lesson. Then you can select which role you want to play. Now we just talked about only a few of the many useful features that come on the Talking Text Translator, but I'm sure you can already see that the Talking Text Translator and Dictionary is an invaluable tool for anyone who is learning a language, so why not pick up one today? The Talking Text Translator and Dictionary, taking language learning to new heights.